This soft buttery coffee cake is layered with a delicious cinnamon sugar swirl, and it just melts in your mouth. We'll start by making a quick coffee mixture. Simply dissolve the instant coffee in warm milk. Set it aside while we prepare the cake. Cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Add the oil and whisk again. Finally, whisk in the yogurt. This helps keep the cake incredibly soft. Sift in the flour and baking powder. Now, pour in the coffee mixture. Fold until everything is just combined. Now mix together the brown sugar and cinnamon. This simple filling adds so much flavour. Pour half of the batter into your baking pan. Sprinkle the cinnamon sugar evenly over the top. Now carefully cover it with the remaining batter. Smooth the surface. Bake for around 30 to 35 minutes until beautifully golden. While it's still warm, drizzle over the simple coffee glaze. These little specks of coffee gives a lovely look to the cake. The glaze adds a lovely finish without making the cake too sweet. Look at that cinnamon swirl. The cake is incredibly soft, buttery, and full of coffee flavour. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy and delicious homemade cakes.